In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Discord two-factor authentication backup codes. To get started, open the Discord app on your device and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main Discord screen, look to the bottom left corner. Right next to your profile avatar, you'll see the gear icon for user settings. Go ahead and click that to open your account settings. When the settings menu opens, look over to the left sidebar and select the account tab near the top. This is where Discord keeps the main security and profile options for your account. From there, find the multi-factor authentication section and click into it. This area is especially important because it contains the tools related to your account's extra layer of security. As you scroll toward the bottom of that section, you'll see the option for backup codes. These backup codes are important because they can help you access your account if you ever lose access to your authentication method. To view them, click on Show Backup Codes. Discord will first ask you to confirm your identity, which is a normal security step. You'll need to enter your Discord password and then type in the verification code sent to your account email. After that, Discord will display your 10 backup codes. These codes are private and should be stored somewhere safe because each one can be used to help you sign in if needed. You'll also have the option to download the backup codes for easier storage or generate a new set of backup codes if necessary. Just keep in mind that if you create new ones, the old set will no longer be valid. For security reasons, never share your backup codes with anyone and avoid saving them somewhere public or easy to access. That's how to find your Discord two-factor authentication backup codes.